Hello, welcome to Pi International Education IELTS e-learning tips and tricks. Today we'll be covering IELTS Speaking Part 3. Now IELTS Speaking Part 3 is a 5-minute discussion between you and the examiner. Now when we are having a discussion with someone, are we just answering questions and just moving forward? No, it's actually something that's much more interactive and something that requires you as the candidate to give a little bit more to the examiner. Now, what do we got to do in Part 3? Well, we've got to analyze, compare, contrast, and on top of that, give opinions as well as justify those opinions. Now, IELTS Speaking Part 3 is going to be related to your cue card, so the notes you took during your cue card will come in handy in Part 3. Now, if you took good notes, then the ideas should be flowing freely in your mind. In Part 3, I want you guys to remember the Part 1 video that I gave you, which was to answer and extend. But in Part 3, we just need to add one more piece, which would be the example. Now, if you can't find a relevant example, I need you guys to just give me another extension. Now, what do I mean by answer, extension, and example? Well, let me give you an actual Part 3 question and deliver it in this method. So the question would be, what is the main environmental problem in Bangladesh right now? Now I could easily just answer with air pollution and leave it just like that. But will I get good marks? No, not at all. So the correct answer would be, well, in my opinion, air pollution is the biggest environmental problem that Bengalis face today. It is caused by industrial activities done by businesses all around the Dhaka city area. I think the brick factories or places where they manufacture bricks are the main source of carbon emissions in Bangladesh. See, I used an answer, so I said air pollution. I extended the answer by saying it's by industrial processes, and then I gave an example of the brick factories. Okay? So the whole point of this formula is to give a clear and concrete answer to the examiner. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video about IELTS Speaking Part 3. Now, for access to a lot more learning resources, courses, and materials, please visit mypibd.com and access our e-learning platform. Thank you.